Alright, so this is just a quick video to show you the value of using an off-camera microphone. So right now it's just recording with the built-in microphone on the DSLR. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I have these two lights off to the sides, so we have really good lighting in our scene, and otherwise the lights in the room are just turned off. The lights in the room next door don't really affect us too much, so we just left those on. And so one of the problems with using an on-camera microphone is it's very far from you, usually, and when you turn away from the camera to face other directions, so say if I'm going to walk around the front of the patient to do something this way and I'm facing him, I'm not facing the microphone, and so it's not going to pick up that audio as clearly. So one potential option or solution to that is just to use the microphone built into your phone. So you can just download an audio recorder app or use a built-in one. So I'm just going to start recording right now. And so now you can hear the quality of the audio as it's coming just from my cell phone, which is just sitting kind of out of the frame. You can put it anywhere. I could even put it, potentially like strapped to his back or something, so it sounded a little bit better. Because all that really matters is how far the microphone is from your face. That's going to determine your audio quality. So now I'm going to stop this, and now we're back on the camera audio. And so I'm going to use this time to plug in my Lavalier microphone, which is just also called a lapel microphone. There's one you just clip on here. And so usually you will hide the cord under your shirt. Just put my phone in my back pocket or something. So I'm going to do that right now here. I'm just going to clip this on my tie for now. Usually I try and hide it a little bit more. And so I'm going to start recording. And so now we're recording with the lapel or lavalier microphone. And so I'm just going to put this in my back pocket. And so now you can see as I'm working at him, even if I walk around and face other directions, my microphone is always right on in front of me, so you're going to get the same audio quality regardless of what you're doing. So if I'm trying to show how to do a stretch or something, say, yeah, I'm going to move your arm, do something like this, whatever, I don't know what I'm doing. So, so basically that's what our goal is. So I want you to be able to use some type of off-camera audio if you need to, if you're going to be far away from your camera, or try and have some type of more like tutorial thing where you're not constantly going to be facing the microphone. So, all right, thanks for watching.